America's #1 selling travel trailer 13 years running. Introducing the 2019 Jayco J-Flight Bungalow. Bungalow's all-new interior design is fresh and stylish. The farmhouse white cabinets blend contemporary kitchen styling with sharp chocolate accents, while the large panoramic windows, residential appliances, large entertainment centers, and available solid surface countertops provide a unique home experience. The bungalow's exterior is sharp and functional, featuring a lighted atrium-style design, detachable hitch, and a power awning with speakers and LED lights. This destination trailer is everything you need it to be. The 2019 Jayco J-Flight Bungalow, America's best-selling travel trailer.